Let's try that again. Do pinks like Terra Rosa, that's not right, like rose quartz and Moroccan clay. Okay. Jolie, I forgot. Rose quartz in, oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I've had a little collection. Rose quartz, oh, I got a text. That was scary. Next up in our Jolie, I almost said 2023. Jolie Moroccan, I already said color collection. And we like it because it's a great, I kind of can't remember what I said. So Gesso White is one of our 2024 Jolie colors of the, that's not right. I'm sorry. As one of the 2024 color collection, it adds a little bit of depth and chicness. That's not the right word. Chicness. That's what I meant to say. Brought it back for another year. So here we go again with Jolie as Jolie. Jolie and Palace White is the next color in the Jolie. We love our Zionsville gifts because we love Zionsville. We have lots of great mugs, some cocktail napkins, some artwork. You know, I would know all about our subway signs. We've had. I love to make a list, and these rifle paper goods help me stay organized. We have just a list maker. Or no, that's not right. That sounds. I love the whimsical yet sort of traditionally national. Our great, I'm moving. Oh my God.